Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Meg. Thank you for attending my short video about a little bit about homeopathic medicines, what they are, what they look like, and how to take them. First, I want to mention that I'm a naturopathic doctor here in the state of Colorado. I was trained at the National University of Natural Medicine in Portland, Oregon, and I practice now in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. I was trained in classical homeopathy during my medical education, and now I practice classical and combination homeopathics predominantly in pediatric and family medicine. So before I get started, I want to quickly mention my disclaimer. All of the information in this video is meant as educational information only. It's not meant to substitute as medical advice. It's not meant to nor claims to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical condition. Me and my affiliates do not assume responsibility for any adverse effects or consequences for the use of this information, this video, or handout. It is your job to do your research on figuring out what to take, how much to take, and consult your medical provider. Great. So I'm the creator of Homeopathy Kids program. It's an online education program for parents to have adjunctive holistic health and wellness information. It's a big library for all different kinds of conditions, as well as wellness milestones and common naturopathic approaches to health with certain medical conditions and symptoms in kiddos. You're welcome to check it out, homeopathykids.com. Also, I have a clinical private practice, and you can find my information about me there at homeopathy.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about how remedies are made, different types of homeopathic medications, and how to take those remedies. If you want to learn more about the principles of homeopathy, please visit my Buzz article, What is Homeopathy, on my website at homeopathy.com/buzz. Perfect. So let's go ahead and get started on the first part that I want to talk about. One is how homeopathic medicines are the basis of how they are made. So homeopathic remedies are predominantly are created in a pellet form, a tablet form, a liquid form, and a gel. And I'm about to show you some of those things. That's why I'm looking over here at my things, so it reminds me. All of these products are made from what is called a mother tincture. All companies have a mother tincture of any particular remedy. So say, for instance, I'll talk about arnica. If you buy a product such as an arnica topical gel, in it, it'll say what is in it and how much. So for instance, this one's Arnica Montana 1X. Anytime Boiron, this company, ever uses Arnica Montana 1X in any product, it comes from the exact same mother tincture, because they know that that product is well made, it's got the active ingredients in it, and then we go from there. So first I want to talk about what you commonly see in most healthy food stores are these remedies in the vials. So these blue vials are made from the company Boiron, and this remedy I hold in my hand right now is what I call aconite or Aconitum napellus. Excuse me. And the way that we use these is it comes in this little vial, and this cap is very conveniently located on this vial. And these vials are very special because what you can do is you can hold it like this with the cap on, twist the vial, and it dispenses a tablet every time you make a little twist. So not every single one of the little pellets is coming down. So you can get a very particular dose. So say, for instance, you're going to be taking 3 of them or 4 of them. You dispense how many you want. Take off the lid. Do not touch any remedy, because the remedies are actually on the outside of the pellets or the tablets. So if you touch them, it could deactivate them. So now I have the pellets right here. The best way to take any homeopathic remedy is under the tongue and let it dissolve there. It's the quickest way to get any medicine into our system other than injection or in the rectum. So anyways, we're not doing any of those. So we're going to be taking these orally. They go under the tongue. I'm not going to take this remedy because I don't need it this time. So I'm going to dispense them right here. Anytime you buy any remedies, don't ever store them next to coffee, camphor, any essential oils. They can deactivate the remedies, so don't do that. These pellets are the common size that you'll see at the natural food stores. If you go see a naturopathic doctor or Homeopath, you might get smaller pellets. That's okay. They're just as effective. I'm going to show you guys right here. This is a home remedy kit. I have some of these kits in my office in different dosages, but this one is the one I use at home for my family. This one's all 30C potencies, and you'll see you open it up and it's got some of the more common. This one's got 25 of the most common remedies. So these vials are a little bit different. They're just simple vials where you've got a simple lid. You don't have the little dispensing mechanism. So be careful with these. This is what I recommend if you have any of these at home. You put them into the lid and then put under your tongue from there. I don't need those, so I'm gonna put those back. Awesome. The next thing I want to talk about are tablets. So there are a couple different brands that make different kinds. Same thing, same remedy, just different form in which you would, that the remedy is provided in. So Highlands makes cell salts. This one is a combination of all 12 cell salts. Use these in my house. So anyways, the same thing with these, dispense them into the cap and then put into the mouth. Now little children, which I do a lot of homeopathics for small children, they don't know to just put it under the tongue and let it dissolve. That's okay. Just put it in their mouth, they'll chew on it, they'll swallow, that's still okay. Always take a remedy 20 minutes away from any drink or food other than water. You don't want anything you eat or drink to deactivate it. So 20 minutes away from any food or drink other than water. These right here are another form, these Highlands baby calming tablets. This one is actually a combination. It has multiple remedies in it, so it's supposed to help calm babies. So this one's good for babies. So another one, another brand I really enjoy and I use a lot in my practice is called Hevert. This one's cold and flu relief. I need to take this myself right now. So these here, I'm opening the package. Comes in blister packs. So they come in like these little, they kind of look like things you would swallow. You actually don't swallow these. You'll kind of stick them under the tongue and let them dissolve, same as the other ones. Next, I'm going to go on to liquids. Keep in mind, all the liquids that are for sale at natural food stores, whole food stores, whatever, are not the mother tincture. It's just the remedy from the mother tincture suspended in either alcohol, water, or some kind of sugary syrup. First one I'm going to show you are these Camellia tablets. These are made by Boiron. These are made out of convenience. These are like little ampules, and this is meant for like babies with teething symptoms. The next one I'm going to show you are Bach flower essence remedies. I have two right here. These are awesome. I make them in my office for a lot of patients in combination, so I use these along with another 60, 80 different remedies. There are other companies that make other flower essences, but these are some that I use that I have here at the house. I'll show you. These are in like a little liquid, and it's got a nice little dropper here, and then you'll drop 3 drops, whatever, in your water under your tongue and let them dissolve. So those are flower essences. Those are also homeopathic preparations. Another one I'll show you is a company called Guna. This one I use in my clinical practice. They make combinations, and it's in a liquid dropper. And then it also looks like, if you ever seen essential oil bottles, that's what this looks like. And it drops 1 drop at a time, because most of these you take at very small dosages. You only need 2, 3, 4 drops to get the effects that you're looking for. Another one is Undas. They're all numbered remedies. If you have ever seen them, you've probably seen a naturopathic doctor. And you can only get them from practitioners. So anyways, same thing. These are droppers like this. This one in particular is really good for fevers. Really good at bringing down fevers for kiddos. And this is a combination. Another one I'm going to show you guys is Highlands Baby Mucus and Cold Relief. This one is, I believe it's a combination. It's got about 10 different remedies in it, and it's in a sugary syrup. So it's kind of like cough syrup for kiddos, but it's just the homeopathics, and it doesn't have any actual herbs in it. The last thing I want to talk about are topicals. There aren't very many homeopathic topicals out there because there aren't too many that are really warranted for just specific one localized lesion or bruise or whatever. So there are a couple, but the one that's most commonly that most people know about is the arnica gel. So this is Arnicare. This one is made by Boiron as well. This one's in the gel form. They make a cream. There's also oral arnica. So say, for instance, these remedies are really, arnica is good for any time someone experiences a bruise sensation. So this one is for topical bruises. So if someone has a bump or a bruise, it's really great for kiddos. Put the gel or the cream straight onto their skin. Now, if somebody ever says, oh man, I have this like bruise sensation in my kidney, you could certainly do this topically, but arnica orally would be a better route probably. So this one's just the gel, put it right on the skin and rub it right in wherever it's applicable. So anyways, I hope you guys found this information beneficial. And I hope that you guys learned something from this. Again, if you have any questions about what's going about homeopathic medicines, please let me know. Comment below. If you need any more additional information, comment below. I'm happy to help everyone out. Anyways, thank you guys, everybody. I'm Dr. Meg, Somovia Kids Program, somoviakids.com. Have a great day.